My name is Scratch. And I will be making your accommodations for your evening's terror.
Uh-oh.
It's rude not to introduce yourself.
I'm Nora.
And introduce yourself to Split here as well.
I'm Nora.
Nice to meet you.
How'd you get the name Split?
Oh, I used to work in the old lumber yard.
Oh, I see.
One day I took a sawed turn and I fell, splitting my head open and getting immortality by the hands of Scratch.
Oh.
Scratch like
It was my pleasure. It's not a gift that I give out so willingly.
Oh, well, we appreciate that.
I'm sure Splits does as well.
Yeah. And I like your hatchet. That's amazing.
It is nice to use, especially to give people the same scars as mine. Or at least close to it. So how about it? Wouldn't you like the gift that I've given to Split? You can stay amongst the terrors forever.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you like it! Don't listen, don't listen! Look at me that way! Look at me that way! Look at me that way! I'm scared! Don't look at me that way! Filth! Rot! Right! I don't want you in here! We don't want you in here! We don't want you in here! Just get a little piece of it. If you get real low, you can feel the little crunchies under your feet. Feel the little maggoties clench the little piece.
Oh boy. Oh gosh. Oh man. Oh, this is.
I didn't mean it! He's naughty Ariel, he's naughty Ariel, baby, naughty Ariel, baby. He's naughty. I didn't mean it! I didn't. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh man, that is terrifying.
You're telling me you're not a doctor. You're telling me you're not a doctor. How are you not a doctor? I don't believe. We all know the victim. Stay away!
Okay, I'll stay away.
Oh
God.
No! Stay away! Stay away! No! Ah! Not a doctor! Not a doctor! You can't read it! It's privacy!
Help me find my friend! I can't find him anywhere!
What's he look like? What's his name?
His name is Jeremy!
Jeremy?
My rubber platypus!
Okay, alright, come with me, we'll find him.
Jeremy! He's mine, not yours! You can't keep him, he's all mine! He's all mine! And when you give him back, you're going in the water!
I don't know where to go and I'm scared.
Whoa!
Me?
Yeah.
Do I what?
I
think I'm gonna opt out.
Do you remember Ted?
I don't remember Ted.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Ted!
Who's Ted?
You're Ted. I do now.
I don't remember
You
you.
know who else is Ted?
Who else is Ted?
Look behind you!
That's Ted. Oh my God.
Oh, we got to check in. We got to go find our room.
All right.
It says condemned, though. Do we go in?
I think it'll be fine. That's not for us.
Right. Yeah.
Belladonna, how many guests do we have tonight?
3?
3 bodies. Pay no attention to these silly signs.
Okay.
Everyone come in.
Told y'all.
Unfortunately, though,
Oh, God.
no vacancies tonight. So I believe all 3 of you will be staying inside the boiler room instead.
Boiler room?
Just follow the scent of charred flesh.
Charred flesh?
We love the smell of
I
charred
don't even know what
flesh.
that smells like.
Ah!
clean me?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my God.
Yes, you're gonna have to. I'm old. Help me find my soap.
Find his soap. Find his soap. You got a little on you.
No.
You gotta find his soap.
On it.
No.
No, we're doing
Oh my God!
He keeps getting us wet with his toothbrush.
I mean, he's got the
Hey, we can touch you now. We don't need your medicine anymore.
I don't know.
She wants to know what he's got right there. That's probably why.
He wants to go home with us.
Why do I have a suitcase?
You need to get out.
Yeah, that's your ticket out. Or you live here. And you become a permanent attraction.
Case.
We have a problem. What is he doing?
He's handcuffed to her.
Oh.
Best friend. I think he likes her.
All right, I need y'all's help getting started. So on the count of 3, I'm gonna need y'all to go.
Okay.
All right. Really loud. 2, 3. I'm gonna need y'all to do it one more time. 1,
Why did they get that kind of chainsaw?
Welcome, guests. Come in. Welcome to Car Talker Expeditions. I am waiting Car Talker your time to hear this. Tonight we'll be time traveling through the past to a year of your choice. Which year in the past shall it be?
1913.
1913. What an excellent choice. Brace yourself. It's a bumpy ride.
Am I gonna fall again?
It's a bumpy ride.
Think of, oh!
No. Heinrich has taken over quickly through the time portal.
Through the portal.
Find the widow.
Into the portal.
Find the widow. Oh, that is not as safe as it looks. Oh my.
You broke in here
Oh,
already. You might as well
shit.
see the sights. Come on through.
Hi.
Are you a religious person?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
See, it's right here at this table. This is where I used to eat dinner with my family, my wife,
I
my
understand.
kids.
I'm sorry.
And then they were taken from me. I truly believe, in fact, that this house took them.
Oh.
You remember saying prayer over supper with your parents? How did that prayer go? Thank you, Father, for the nourishment we're about to receive for our bodies. Something like that, right?
Yeah.
I have a new prayer for uninvited guests such as yourselves. Pray with Charlie.
Okay.
Vaqueos Bati, Indomo Luduimes Bro Sanguine. Do you know what that means?
No.
That means make them suffer. For in this house, we play for blood. And I have been winning all night. Now, sweetheart, you're a little too rough on our guests, our uninvited guests. Here's what we're gonna do.
Thank you, Charlie.
I'm gonna give you a 3-second head start. Simply because I cheated. I knew you were coming through to my house. So as soon as you turn that corner, the game starts.
3 seconds.
1,000.
I know.
Welcome to the family! Oh, you don't want your family? You want Charlie to keep it forever? No! She smells so pretty. Come and get your family. Reach through here.
Oh, okay. Oh.
I'll see you on the other side.
Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, that's a vampire.
Hi, dear.
Hiding. We all go in there?
Oh, we all like to go.
Okay.
Okay.
You seem weak.
I'm extremely weak.
Kneel before me.
No.
Kneel!
No.
Kneel. You too, my brother.
Okay. Oh, no.
This is not gonna end well.
Look out.
What is this?
Shoot.
Unless
Once
this...
you entered my sanctuary, you signed your souls over to me. Now both belong to me.
Oh, God.
Unless this is Fireball, I don't want it.
Yes, you will make
It's Fireball.
wonderful vampires.
Oh,
Now,
yeah, well.
on the count of 3, I need the loudest hail Satan I've ever heard. Make him proud.
Hail
Ready?
Satan. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hail Satan!
Now drink, my dears, drink! Yes.
That's good, whatever that is.
You have made Satan proud.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good. That's a good
I
thing,
don't know if that's
right?
good or bad. We're now vampires. We're
The androids are
vampires.
coming. Look how beautiful they are. So lovely. Hello.
Oh, God.
How did it taste? How did it taste?
You're not wonderful.
Let me run.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very well. Yeah.
Feed well.
I did, yes. I fed very well.
That again.
Yeah.
Just said one more time.
I'm already a vampire now. You don't have to bite anymore. It's all good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Oh man.
No, not you. No.
You got the mark.
Okshana. Okshana. Oh, God. Okay. She's weird. I like her.
I got marked.
Uh-oh. She's going to mark Tammy, too, I
God.
think. Yeah. The females. Only the females. What is it?
I'm gonna get assaulted with a chainsaw. I have no balance.
Oh, God.
He is crazy. Oh my God. He's gonna take the wall down. Woo! Holy moly.
What's the matter? Did I get you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Come on, let me tell you something.
Okay.
My name is Mr. Doug Graves.
Doug Graves. Yeah, you too.
Hi, Mr. Doug.
Yeah, all kinds of nasty.
Uh-huh.
Now, I've been the gravedigger around these here parts.
Okay.
Grave digger.
But
What?
for the past 20 years, what I've been putting in the ground ain't been wanting to stay put.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
That's a
That's
bad
a problem.
problem for a grave digger.
Every 2 days, she pops up out of her hole.
Oh, every 2 days.
I go up to the cemetery.
Uh-huh.
Whenever I see that big old fat flat head of hers, whenever I see the pus coming out of her eyes,
This would be fun.
What do you do?
I hit her in the head with my shovel, some little something like
Ooh.
Oh, and that's what she does.
I gotta tell you, if I wasn't dead already, that joke would kill me.
Oh, wow. I hope he doesn't do that to us. Hi. Ooh.
Trying to make friends
You're early, come at
trying
us.
to put me in a hole.
You're
I'm
early.
just mad
I'm
so I
taking
beat
you
you
home
with an
now.
ugly stick.
Because you won't stay in your hole.
But I ain't killed
Oh,
nobody
it's
since
her.
last week. I killed that old Jezebel because she cheated me in a game of poker.
What?
Oh,
Jezebel?
As long as
That's
you
not
don't
good.
kick me off, we ain't gonna have no issue.
Well, Remind me not to take her
Her
off.
face looks like he did get her with a shovel. I don't know where he went.
They're
That
good.
gravedigger, where he went. Oh, something's
some kind of
growling
cave.
or something.